Jonard Clarito. Coach Yeng, wow, sabi mo nga sa huddle, Coach, the guys were making too many mistakes in a game this important. But after that, they responded with stronger defensive effort, and then Jonard really gave you something to build on. How did you see that shift, and what stood out to you in how they carried themselves all the way to the end?
We were just patient. No? Nagpasensya lang kami. Basketball is a game of runs. We had a run in the first half. They had a run in the third quarter. Mabuti na lang nakabalik ulit kami nung fourth quarter. Sheer hard work, sheer effort. Just the desire to extend the series. Kung si Jonard, kita natin effort niya, buwis buhay talaga. So, any coach would appreciate the effort they put up, no, not just him, but the rest of the guys. Na-withstand namin yung torrid shooting nila. Ayaw magmintis kanina yung mga tira nila. Mabuti na lang na-survive namin. No? But that's really the way they play. No? So, at least buhay pa kami. Na-extend namin until Saturday. No? Pero gusto namin yung position namin yan. One game away, even field, great battle. This is what we like. This is where you get your toughness. And we showed toughness today.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Jonard, gaya ng sabi ni Coach Yeng, buwis buhay. 20 points, 21 rebounds. Sinabi mo na to kanina, sa depensa, sa opensa, gagalingan mo talaga. Jonard, napakarami mong pinabilib ngayong araw. Paano mo nagawa yun? Anong nasa isip mo na nung nahihirapan na kayong lahat, ikaw yung nagsilbing inspirasyon na bumuhay sa Rain or Shine?
For me, yung ano lang sabi ni Coach Yeng lagi sa huddle namin, kasi yung 3 points namin sobrang baba eh. Kaya dinaan lang namin sa sipag, sa box out, sa rebound. Tsaka nagtulong-tulong din yung mga teammate ko. At saka kaya nga yung sabi ni Coach Yeng, walang matatalo sa depensa. Kailangan buwis buhay talaga.